If your Google ads have ever been disapproved due to capitalization, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to discuss about Google ads disapproval regarding capitalization. But in case if your Google ads have been disapproved for capitalization, compromise site, malicious content, circumventing system, or any other issue, or in case if you need Google ads audit server management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's moving on to the capitalization. And just for information, my name is Ali Raza. I'm a Google ads, Facebook ads, and Bing ads certified advertising professional, as well as owner of a Google partner company. Now moving on to this, you may have seen an error like this, where you may have seen the policy capitalization error, and the capitalization error is usually due to three more, like if you're using excessive capital letters, which is very pretty obvious. If you're using it in your ad, then your ad will not be approved. Google has also provided three examples: a full combination of capital letters, like half words of capital letters, or in case if you are using dots with capital letters. These are kind of words they do not accept to run the ads, because Google has a perfect algorithm where they want professionalism even in their advertisers, because when people think of a Google, they are expecting a quality product, and they also expect the same from their advertisers, so they can maintain the certain expectations people have when they visit the Google website. So advertisers should also follow those to provide high quality products, and your ad is an example of your reflection of your brand, so your ad needs to have professionalism as well. So this is an ad preview tool. I'm just giving you an example over here. Scenarios, like if you are excited about this, if you add this in your headline or anywhere on the description page, your ad will not be approved, because this will have excessive capitalization. And if you are also using "you are my using," so if you are using one word in this may be acceptable. But in case if you are using more than one combination over here, like, okay, the scenarios where capitalization is acceptable. For instance, this will not be acceptable. So you need to understand this is excessive capitalization. But in case if you are getting okay, this can be acceptable, but not in all scenarios. Okay, where in those scenarios this can be acceptable, this can be acceptable in old accounts, running accounts, have a very verified advertisers with have a very good ratings. Again, this may vary to niche, but this is not always acceptable. And even if your ad gets accepted, the chances are in the longer run you will get a problem with this, and they will call it excessive capitalization. So the best idea is never to run it. Even if you have a new account, you will have zero chances even to run this at all. So do not try to do this, but rather use it over here. But I'm telling you that in some scenarios, a single capital word may be acceptable, but not all the words. So you need to keep this as a caution in your mind whenever you are going to try to run ad. So the process is very easy. In case if your ad has been disapproved due to this, simply edit your ad, remove the capitalization, and simply select the save button. The process is very easy. You do not have to even to appeal to get it sorted, because this is not a domain error. This is not this is just an ad copy issue, and you can easily fix it. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Still, in case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Take care and bye bye.